Is it time to buy or sell BREA Holdings Class B Ordinary Shares stock? In this video, we will explore BREA Holdings Class B Ordinary Shares in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 19th of September, 2025. Today, we aim to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 16th of September 2025, our system has ranked BREA Holdings Class B Ordinary Shares as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.17. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 119% since we first listed BREA Holdings Class B Ordinary Shares as a buy candidate 4 days ago. This translates to an average return of 29.75% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a further rise is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.58% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 68.61% to 78.31%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 39.35%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 80.14% to 109.27% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.30 and $34.74. Our latest daily update for BREA Holdings Class B Ordinary Shares includes the headline: Volatile ride for BREA Holdings plc Class B Ordinary stock price on Friday, moving between $14.90 and $43.14. The BREA Holdings plc Class B Ordinary stock price fell by 33 1/3% on the last day, which was Friday, the 19th of September, 2025, from $24.90 to $16.60. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 189.53%, ranging from a low of $14.90 to a high of $43.14. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 164.6% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 6 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $360,450,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $52.95, and the lowest price was 50 cents. Currently, the price is 68.65%, or $36.35, below the 52-week high of $52.95, which is also the all-time high for the stock. BREA Holdings has executed a significant strategic shift this week, revealing its plans to become Soulmate, a digital asset treasury and crypto infrastructure business based on Solana. This transformation is supported by an oversubscribed $300 million PIPE, led by ARK Invest and investors from the United Arab Emirates through Pulsar Group. The announcement alone propelled the stock more than 200%. In the short term, anticipate ongoing volatility and momentum. The support from ARK and Pulsar enhances credibility and draws in funds. However, the market will fluctuate based on deal mechanics, potential dilution, the timing of fund deployment, and any immediate announcements regarding tokens or assets. Additionally, regulatory scrutiny of crypto treasuries and the overall health of Solana may intensify these fluctuations. Looking ahead, if Soulmate successfully generates recurring revenue from asset management, infrastructure services, and institutional partnerships, BREA could see a revaluation, transforming from a small sports-focused holding company into a diversified player in the crypto financial sector. the company's recent compliance with Nasdaq, advancements with its Juve Stabia assets, and media visibility offer diversification. However, execution risks, the cyclical nature of the crypto market, and regulatory uncertainties remain significant long-term valuation risks. Analysts have assigned BREA Holdings Class B ordinary shares stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BREA Holdings Class B ordinary shares. The BREA Holdings plc Class B ordinary stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, creating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $11 and $7.30. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged that may impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 18, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 1/3. Continued declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased even as prices fell yesterday, which may serve as an early warning and suggests that closer observation of the stock is warranted. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 62 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 71 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BREA Holdings Class B ordinary shares. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies this stock as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $28.24 between its highest and lowest points, representing a substantial 189.53% change. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 180.20%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for BREA Holdings Class B ordinary shares, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies may go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios can signal inadequate profit levels and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BREA Holdings Class B ordinary shares. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume to determine the appropriate time to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.83, representing a decline of 4.64%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. A sell signal has been triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is BREA Holdings Class B ordinary share stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally favorable trend, indicate a positive outlook. We conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for BREA Holdings plc Class B ordinary stock to perform well in the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded from a hold to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 22nd of September, we anticipate that BREA Holdings Class B ordinary shares will open higher by $8.28, starting at $24.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.